sklearn. Covariance, elliptic envelope. Description. Elliptic envelope is an outlier detection algorithm that uses a robust covariance estimator to fit an ellipse to the data. Points that lie outside the ellipse are classified as outliers. This algorithm is particularly effective for detecting outliers in multivariate data that exhibits a roughly elliptical distribution. Inputs. X. The input data, which should be a 2D array of shape n samples. N features. Each row represents a data point. Contamination. The proportion of outliers in the data. This value should be between 0 and 1. The default value is 0.1, which means that the algorithm assumes that 10 of the data points are outliers. Outputs. Outlier scores. The outlier scores for each data point. Higher scores indicate a higher probability of being an outlier. Labels. A list of outlier labels for each data point. Each label is either one outlier or -1 inlier. Steps. Fit the elliptic envelope model to the input data using the robust covariance estimator. Calculate the Mahalanobis distance of each data point from the center of the ellipse. The Mahalanobis distance is a measure of how far a point is from the center of the distribution, taking into account the correlation between the features. Classify data points as outliers if their Mahalanobis distance exceeds a certain threshold. The threshold is determined by the contamination parameter. Metrics. Precision. The proportion of correctly identified outliers. Recall the proportion of actual outliers that are correctly identified. F1 score. The harmonic mean of precision and recall. Visualization plots. Scatter plot of the data points, with outliers highlighted. Elliptical boundary representing the estimated distribution of the inlier data. Fine-tune parameters. Contamination. The proportion of outliers in the data. This parameter controls the sensitivity of the algorithm to outliers. Support fraction. The fraction of data points that are used to estimate the robust covariance matrix. A lower value can be used to make the algorithm more robust to outliers, but it may also reduce its accuracy. Random state. The seed for the random number generator. This parameter can be used to ensure reproducibility of the results. Uncertainty methods. Bayesian inference can be used to estimate the uncertainty in the outlier scores. Bootstrap resampling can be used to estimate the uncertainty in the model parameters. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Elliptic envelope is sensitive to the presence of high leverage points, which can distort the estimated distribution of the inlier data. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. A dataset with a few data points that are very far away from the other data points, but are not necessarily outliers. Fixes to challenge 1. Use a robust covariance estimator that is less sensitive to high leverage points. Apply a preprocessing step to remove high leverage points from the data. Challenge 2. Elliptic envelope may not be effective for detecting outliers in datasets with a high degree of nonlinearity. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. A dataset with a nonlinear relationship between features. Fixes to challenge 2. Use a different outlier detection algorithm that is better suited for nonlinear data, such as isolation forest or local outlier factor LOF. Apply a nonlinear transformation to the data before applying elliptic envelope.